So this is how to add or remove a successor to your Wealthsimple registered account. So if you were to go onto the Wealthsimple app or the Wealthsimple website, you're not going to be able to check, add, or remove the successor to your registered account. So instead, I'm going to leave a link to this website down below where you can go ahead and actually facilitate this. So once you're on this page right here, you're going to be reading a quick article that says add a beneficiary or successor to your registered account. We're going to be focusing here on the successor to your registered account this way. So once you're in this article, you can read a bunch of different information about how this works. So you can go ahead and add a successor to your TFSA, FHSA, RRIF, or spousal RRIF only. So basically a registered account. So if you were to keep scrolling down, obviously, go ahead and read the information if you want to. You can read more information right here, but on this page, add or remove a successor or contingent beneficiary on all provinces or territories except Quebec. Add a successor or contingent beneficiary. To add a successor, you must fill out this form online. So we're going to go ahead and select this. It'll then bring us to a new page right here, Wealthsimple designation of successors and or contingent beneficiaries for registered plans. We'll go ahead and press start right here. Then on this page, you have to fill out the following information. So the name, the email, the account or the plan, etc. And you can basically fill out all this information, follow the steps this way, and then you can go ahead and add or remove a successor this way. So that's how you guys can add or remove a successor on Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.